Hello, welcome to your English online learning journey. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, this course is designed to help you master English at your own pace. Through interactive lessons, practical exercises, you will build confidence in speaking, writing, and understanding English. Join us as we explore the language together and open up new opportunities in your personal and professional life. Let's get started. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Learn English with frankelito. Today, our English lesson is about prepositions of place. Prepositions of place are words we use to show the position or location of something. Here are some common prepositions of place with simple explanations for beginners. In, inside something, a space, container, or area. Examples: the books are in the bag. The toys are in the box. On, resting or placed on the surface. Examples: the keys are on the table. The picture is on the wall. Under, below or beneath something. Examples: the shoes are under the bed. The ball is under the chair. Next to or beside. Close to or by the side of something. Examples: the lamp is next to the sofa. She is sitting beside her friend. Between, in the middle of two things. Examples: the park is between the school and the hospital. The apple is between the banana or oranges. Behind, at the back of something. Examples: the car is behind the house. The boy is hiding behind the tree. In front of, opposite or ahead of something. Examples: the teacher is standing in front of the class. The bus stop is in front of the shop. Over, above something without touching. Example: the fan is over the table. The plane is flying over the city. Below, lower than something. Examples: the temperature is below zero. The picture is hanging below the clock. Near, close to something. Examples: the shop is near the school. The cat is sitting near the door. You can use objects around you to practice. For example, you can ask, "Where is the book?" Answer, "The book is on the table."